Good morning, second grade. Miss Fogelman here today for your reading lesson. Okie doke. So this week we have been talking about main idea. Our learning target today is I can identify the main topic of a paragraph to better understand a text. We are working on identifying the main idea to help us better understand what we are reading. Let's review our anchor chart first. The main idea is what the text is mostly about. There are many clues that we can look for to help us find the main idea. First thing that we need to think about is what is the text mostly about? Then we can also look at titles and headings. We can look at pictures. And sometimes the main idea is stated in the first or last sentence. Remember, this is not always the case, so make sure you're looking for all those clues and not just assuming it's the first or last sentence. Look for clue words that are used repeatedly. So many times the main idea is something that you will see in words that are repeated throughout the passage. All right, so today our story starts with, did you know that when a baby kangaroo is born, it is pink and hairless and the size of a grape? Baby kangaroos are called joeys. When joeys are born, they weigh less than an ounce. A mother kangaroo can't even touch the baby because it is so small. All right, so I did not realize just how small kangaroos are when they were born. So that's a lot of good information, but let's find out the main idea. Okay, so first off, let's look at letter A. Baby kangaroos are called joeys. So if I look at the paragraph and come down to look at baby kangaroos are called joeys, is the entire paragraph about the fact that they're called joeys? No. So this would be what we call a supporting detail. Okay, so I'm going to underline that. Grapes are delicious. Well, I remember in the passage that they talked about how the kangaroo, when it's born, is the size of a grape, but there's nothing about how grapes are delicious. So we know that can't be it. Baby kangaroos are very small when they are born. Okay, so let's look and see. The first sentence says, did you know that when a baby kangaroo is born, it is pink and hairless and the size of a grape? When joeys are born, they weigh less than an ounce. The mother kangaroo can't even touch the baby because it is so small. All right, so I hear a lot through each sentence about baby kangaroos and their size when they're born. So this could be the answer. I'm going to put a dot beside it. And then letter D says mother kangaroos love their babies. Well, I'm sure mother kangaroos do love their babies, but there's nothing in the passage about that. So we're going to cross that off, which means it must be that baby kangaroos are very small when they are born. Let's look for some more supporting details. We can also say that when the joeys are born, they weigh less than an ounce. That is another good supporting detail for our main idea that baby kangaroos are very small when they are born. Another supporting detail is that the mother kangaroo can't even touch the baby because it is so small. So all of those are our supporting details or key details that support the main idea. All right. This passage called The Meerkat will be the passage that you are doing in Show Me today. But before I have you do it, I'm going to go ahead and read it to you so that you understand the passage before you do your main idea work. Okay, so the story is called The Meerkat. Meerkats in Africa live in large groups of 20 to 50 members. The group works together to survive. All members of the group care for the baby meerkats. They take turns babysitting and will protect the young ones from danger. Members of the group also take turns watching out for the threats from other animals while the group finds food. If any dangerous animal comes towards the group, the meerkat will bark a warning. Now, make sure you're also looking at photographs. One of our clues that we can look for to find the main idea is looking at the photographs. So this one says a meerkat keeping watch, and this one is a group of meerkats in the wild. This is in Shobi for you to do. If you would like to hear it again, you can just play this recording again, or you can read it yourself in Shobi. Make sure you write the main idea of the paragraph in your own words on these lines, and then you're going to write 2 supporting or key details from the passage that support what your main idea is. All right, tomorrow we will take a quiz on main idea. Remember everything that we have learned about main idea. Make sure you get that meerkat passage done today, and have a great day.